Would you like some more tea, Emily?
You're not my friend anymore.
Emily Dinsmore. They found her father's car abandoned outside the town.
Lionel must have nabbed her last year after she pushed Lana off the bridge. And in the meantime, she's picked up a bad habit of walking through walls.
At least we know why Lionel's trying so hard to get her back. We can't let Lex find her first.
Wait a minute, when did Lex enter the equation?
Chloe, Lex has been working with the FBI to try and take down his father.
Park, if you knew Lex was looking for dirt on Lionel, why didn't you tell him about his grandparents?
Because we never had hard evidence before about what Lionel was doing. Besides, the last time Lex confronted him about it, almost got him killed.
But if we found Emily, then we could prove that Lionel's been illegally cloning people. The thing I don't get is if Emily could have escaped at any time, why did she wait till now for